Hi, this video is to show you how to install lockdown browser software on WebAssign. It's very simple and straightforward, but I'm doing it in a video form anyway. Let me share the screen with you and go from there. So this is what you see on your WebAssign homework once you logged into the Physics 2002. Right now, you can see the assignments names and the due dates. The practicing lockdown browser exam, click on that. If you have not installed the lockdown browser, this is what you would see: assignment restrictions, and you can see get the latest version of lockdown browser and view lockdown browser requirements. If you click on the lockdown browser requirements, for the requirements, prerequisites, you must have either a Windows or a MacBook, operating system X. You cannot open it in an iPad or a Linux computer. So, make sure you have that. Then after that, go ahead and get the latest version of lockdown browser. If you click on that, you would see here, download Windows installation file or download Mac operating system installation file. Yep, it is downloaded. I am going to run it, and then after that, you can see here this package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Now go ahead and click on continue and continue install. It will ask you for a password, so go ahead and type your password there and install software. And says installation was successful. Then close it, and after installing the software, go back to the WebAssign. Now, since you have already installed the software, click continue. It will ask you open lockdown browser. Click on that. From here, I don't think you can see me. I don't know if you can see the tab or the window. That's probably because the browser is locked. I will show you what it looks like after the installation of the software. Come here and click on the practice. You would see again the same thing, assignment restrictions, but since you have already downloaded the software, just click on continue, and it will ask you if you should open the lockdown browser. Go ahead and click yes. Now this is what it looks like. It will take some couple of seconds to load. Now the browser is locked. Go here, select the course and go. You would see again the assignments. Now you can see it here. See, time left 28 minutes 15 seconds. So this is for testing because I already tried this on my Windows computer. So that's why I see 28 minutes, because 30 minutes ago I tried to install the software on my Windows. So now you can always see here, you will have 60 minutes time, don't worry. But the clock starts immediately. Here you can see you cannot access anything else here. You cannot go back to other browsers or anything else. Now go ahead and answer your questions and submit assignment. Then you'll be done. Right. That's how you do it. Please email me if you have any questions. This practice Lockdown browser assignment is due on Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. Right? Ask me any questions if you have. Send me an email. Thank you. Bye-bye.